I know I haven't uploaded in a very long time, so I just thought I'm after hitting 50 subscribers, I should just click record and make a video for you guys. Here you have it. Huh? You said what? Did you just tell everyone that you need to subscribe to me? He didn't, but you should. Mr. Panda Pop Bigger and Mr. Owl and the Frog Trio. What should we do? You haven't made a video about playing your Switch yet. Maybe you could do that. What do you think? We love Fortnite, we love Fortnite, we love Fortnite. Rock Trio, what should you do? Oh yeah, the rocks, they can't speak. I am ashamed. Mr. Panda, I've figured out what we're going to do. We're gonna make the Amazon Rainforest Part 2. Of you OGs remember the Amazon Rainforest video? Me and Hanja are gonna explain to you. So, in the first one, we went through there, but if you ever seen it, I accidentally started going this way. How about I say that we go this way this time? So let's go. So what's back here is like a bunch of equipment and ladders. Yeah, lots of ladders. Lots of ladders. Okay. Further down, we have the treehouse which we went up last time. Not bothered to. And there's a tree where I need to slip on. But what if I turn right? We have a nice kind of garden. And yeah. Just walking along and I had this weird statue. Yeah, Hank says it scares him, so yeah. Let's move. So we have this place over here, which is where Hank likes to hang out actually. You know what I mean? Let's check out another bit, eh, Hangda? Where you gone? Hangda? Oh, there you are. Get back here. Get back here. You. Okay, I have him back. Okay, let's go. So, in the last video, I ended it up here in the Asian part, whatever I said. And yeah, this is where I ended it. But if I go a bit further, let's see what's up here, over by the house. Basically, just like a bunch of sheds, greenhouses. It's pretty cool. But there's something that might be like into your interests. So this is brand new. If you can remember the first video, there was a big down of the stream, you can hear that. But I have my own little Alice in Wonderland scene in my garden. Even had the little rabbit, all that kind of stuff. Ooh, cake. Hank just gone again. Oh my god. God. Get out of there! It's gonna drink you or something. What? You want cake? Come on, that's plastic. Like this video if you want cake. Or else I'll throw you in there. And plus, who doesn't want cake? Unless you're allergic to dairy or something. Well, then you can have dairy-free cake. Woohoo! So, have a bridge. And it looks like this is like grass growing on it. Like, okay, I'm not even gonna ask. But there's actually this pretty cool thing in the Amazon Rainforest. You go over here. Morning montage. There is a clock. Not sure if you can see that. A bit dark. Yeah, it's really dark. Hello, look, it says Paddington Station. Drop a comment if you've ever watched the Paddington video. So, I'm gonna do this new thing where the first person to comment I like pandas gets a shout out in my next video. And also, if you want, you can choose the theme of what my new video is on. So, if you want a shout out in the next video and get to possibly choose what my next video is, drop a comment, say, I like pandas, and then what you want the next video to be on, okay? Bye!